My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site Promoliveb2.click. Promoliveb2.click is a dangerous and deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The website displays pretty scary messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. It is definitely a serious mistake to interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. So be careful not to click on any buttons that are integrated into these pop-ups. If you do that, you may be brought to some other deceptive content, and because of that, your computer may eventually be infected with certain potentially unwanted programs. Therefore, be careful not to install anything that those pop-ups suggest. I recommend you to research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system in order to identify and eliminate all other threats completely from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.